Hello everyone, I'm Shivam Thakur. Welcomes you to my YouTube channel Shivan's Tech guys. I hope you all are doing well practiced in your AutoCAD learning sessions. And guys, today we are gonna understand the mirror command. Mirror, it's a very simple and it's a most interesting and mostly useful command in AutoCAD. So alright guys, we can activate the mirror command by entering as a short key MI in a command bar. And mirror command is basically used to mirror any object from one side to just opposite side. So let's understand how it works. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for getting the notifications of new upcoming video. Alright guys, without wasting our time, let's get started. For activating the mirror command, we can go here in modify command bar and we can select mirror command from here. Alright guys, these are the some entities that we have drawn in our previous video. So let's draw a line firstly. For that would be a mirror line, because for mirror anything we need to give a mirror line. So now I'm gonna draw a line here, something like this. I have just made this. So I have activated MI mirror line, then enter. Now this is select object. I wanna draw this object. I just select this, then press enter. Now this is asking for the mirror, specify first point of mirror line. This is the mirror line. I just give this as a first point and this is as a second point of our mirror line. As I just gave, now this command has been come, but it's not fixed here. There is one more option that we need to do. We need to enter no if we don't wanna delete this one, if we wanna take both of the, if you wanna keep both of the object, so we need to enter N here, and we wanna erase source object. Source object is this object. If you wanna erase this one and you wanna keep only this copied object, so you can enter yes here. I am enter no. Let's then enter here. Alright guys. Now this line was our horizontal line, so that's why this was the horizontal mirror has been done. Let's do once more and let's give a line here, something like this for a mirror line, and select the mirror activate the mirror command by going to the modify command bar. I just click here on mirror command. Now this is asking for the select object. I just select both of these two objects, then press enter. Now this is asking for the first point of mirror line. I just give it here, and now we are gonna enter Y here just for test, just to the understanding. I just enter Y here. Now we can see our source object has been deleted here from this side, and the mirrored object, one more mirrored copy has been come here. So alright guys, this is the scenario. This is both of these are the horizontal mirrored. So alright guys, this is the object. Now if you wanna do vertical mirror, so you can. For this you must have a vertical mirror line. Select this object, complete object, go here. Now cancel this, select MI, then space enter. Select this completely object, then press enter and give the first point of mirror line and then second point. I just give it here. Now we can see this object has been completely mirrored from this end, and now we are gonna enter no here. So guys, this is the concept of mirror line. We can do mirror in a horizontal direction and we can do mirror also in a vertical direction, but there is one more option. We can do mirror in some angle also. We can, let's suppose I'm gonna draw an inclined line here, something like this, and now I'll mirror the object with reference to this line. This line is at some specified angle maybe. So I just click here. Now this is asking for the mirror line. I just give it here, something like this. So guys, the object has been mirrored with reference to this line. Now I'm enter N like this. Let's understand once more. let's draw one different feature. I just give here L. So guys, we don't need a mirror line always. We can just give it the mirror line without drawing a mirror line like this. Let's understand. I have selected mi mirror command, select object. I have selected here, then space and enter. Now this is asking for the mirror line. First point. So you can click on the blank workspace also. Or this, I have activated the ortho mode, so the will happen straight. Now this has been happened. Now press N for not erasing the source object. Let's again delete this and let's give one more draw here. Alright guys, there is one more option if you wanna, so you can again mirror this. So guys, like this, then enter. Now give the specified point, first point at the mirror point here, something like this. So alright guys, there are some much more feature in AutoCAD, and it's very useful command in AutoCAD, mirror command. It's very useful for everyone when you draw any line, when you draft any complete object. So it's very useful at that time. So I hope you understand the concept of mirror, and if you have understand the concept, please like and share the video, and if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for getting the notifications of new upcoming video. Thanks for clicking.